Hi, it's me from Custom Cruise. Here we are fitting this dyna wheel. Put a 180 on the back. Just everything completely wrapped up with you know, this stuff to protect the rims, etc. Even the pulley. And then basically on Mike's bike, here's his old one. Okay. We've had to get the spacing right on the disc here. So we've had to machine a spacer here, machine a spacer here. And then obviously the caliper will go back on. You've got to get all your gaps right no matter what. You have to have exactly the right gaps on these babies when you do it. And it's not a simple job, believe me. See, bags of clearance here, you could possibly get 200 on this. It's a cracking bit of kit. And then this is the front wheel we're going to fit on. Okay. But as you can see, it really is a massive job. If it weren't for this lathe here, this is all the metal that's been done just on this one job. Okay. Making spacers and things, you know, we have to machine all these spacers to go in here, etc. But you can actually see what a massive job this is when you see, you know, nothing goes straight on, even though it's supposedly made for each bike. It's absolute rubbish. So if you want any amazing stuff doing, give us a call. 01773835666, customcruise.com, or the new site customcruises.eu. Thank you.